I'm Cindy Poirier, and I'm going to show you how to perform a low-pressure leak test on a Datex Aestiva anesthesia machine and on the Datexometer Tech 6 or Tech 6 Plus Desflurane vaporizer. In order to do a low-pressure leak test, we need a low-pressure leak test device, which I have here, and we're going to check this to make sure that it doesn't leak by covering the port and squeezing the bulb, and the bulb should remain deflated for 30 seconds. If it does not, you have to first repair this before you can move on to leak testing the anesthesia machine. As you can see, this has remained deflated, so we're good to go. For the anesthesia machine, it has to be tested in the off position so that there's no gas flowing in the machine. So we're off, and now we're going to open up our flow control valves, 1.5 turns each. I start with the O2, and nitrous, and then air, and again they're open 1.5 turns. In order to test this, we're going to use the auxiliary common gas outlet. Access this by turning the lever down, and we're going to attach the negative low pressure leak test device, and we'll squeeze the bulb, and we'll watch the bulb and make sure it does not fully inflate in 30 seconds. If it does, we would repeat the test. If it inflated again in less than 30 seconds, then the machine itself has a low pressure leak, and that would have to first be repaired. Or you could simply move your vaporizer to a machine you know that doesn't leak. So we can see that this bulb has remained deflated, so we'll move on to testing the DES vaporizer. We're going to make sure that the unit's operational. The green light should be on, indicates we have power and agent. We'll depress the lever at the back of the vaporizer and turn it counterclockwise to 12%. Not 1%, but to 12%. And we'll squeeze the bulb again. That's still attached to the auxiliary common gas outlet. And the bulb should remain deflated for 30 seconds. You can see this unit has already inflated, so I will repeat the test. Oops. Repeat the test. And again, it's going to inflate in less than 30 seconds, because we already know that this unit has a problem. When you have a unit that leaks, you're going to call GE or your agent vendor and report the problem to them. And also, you're going to finish up your test by turning your vaporizer back off, closing all your needle valves to minimum, and closing off your auxiliary common gas outlet so that the machine is ready for use. Thank you.